Hello, myself Subhujyoti Mahato, lecturer in Computer Science and Technology. I am from Raja Ranjit Kishore Government Polytechnic. Today I will explain some part of basic of C, which is a unit of the subject, that is programming in C. In this lecture I will cover the following topics. Define programming language, history of C, advantages of structured program, files used in C, characteristics of C. Define programming language. First, we have to understand what is the programming language. It consists of two words, program and language. Program is a set of instructions. So, program is basically a collection of instructions, means when we put a set of instructions together, then it's called program. Like your class routine can be considered as program, which states what are the classes you have to attend one after another. So, class routine is a program for you what you follow every weekdays from 10:30 a.m. to 4:50 p.m. Now come to language. Language is a method of communication. In real life, language is a method of communication by which we can interact with others. Suppose our mother tongue is Bengali, so using this language we can express ourselves to the outer world and try to understand what others want from us. So, learning language is very important for the interaction. A programming language is a type of written language that tells computers what to do in order to work. Computer is a digital system. It means it uses two states, either 1 or 0. So if we want to perform a task by the computer, then we have to represent the task to the computer in a binary form, because computer cannot understand our Bengali language. Computer can understand thus language like C, C++, Java, etc. So if we want to execute a task by using a computer, then we must have to learn any one of the language among C or C++ or so on. History of C. History of C language is interesting to know. Here I am going to discuss a brief history of the C language. There are some language already developed before the development of C language. The base or father of programming language is ALGOL. It was first introduced in 1960. ALGOL was used on a large basis in European countries. ALGOL introduced the concept of structured programming to the developer community. In 1967, a new computer programming language was introduced called as BCPL, which stands for Basic Combined Programming Language, was announced. BCPL was designed and developed by Martin Richards, specially for writing system software. This was the era of programming languages. Just after 3 years, in 1970, a new programming language called B was introduced by Ken Thompson and contained multiple features of BCPL. This programming language was created using Unix operating system at AT&T and Bell Laboratories. Both the BCPL and B were system programming languages. These languages had some problem. To overcome the problem of previous languages such as ALGOL, B, BCPA, etc., C language was developed. So C was developed from ALGOL, BCPL and B to remove the difficulties or the problem of those languages. Now C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. C programming language first developed by Dennis Ritchie in AT&T Bell Laboratories of AT&T, which is American Telephone and Telegraph, located in the USA. Dennis Ritchie is known as the founder of C language. Initially, C language was developed to be used in Unix operating system. It inherits many features of previous languages such as B and BCPL. In 1983, ANSI, that is American National Standards Institute, appointed a technical committee to define a standard for C. The committee approved a version of C in December 1989, which is known as ANSI-C. Later, it was approved by ISO, that is International Standard Organization, in 1990. Now, advantages of structured program. Structured programming, sometimes known as modular programming, is a programming paradigm that facilitates the creation of programs with readable code and reusable components. All modern programming languages support structured programming. Because of that, it has some advantages, like it a structured program is very much user friendly and easy to understand. It avoids the possibility of data corruption, reduce complexity of the program, increase the productivity, contain less logical errors are more easily found, easier to maintain, independent of the machine. So this means structured programming encourages the top-down approach for the implementation of the program, which improve both readability and maintainability of the code. It promotes the code reusability since even the internal module can be extracted and made independent. Residents in library, describe in directories, and reference by many other applications. It's widely used for the large scale development, and the quality of the programming is improved through the structured programming, and the development time is also become less. It is machine independent, which means the structured programming written in one computer or one system, and then it can be, or that program can be run on any other computer. Now the files used in C. So there are basically four kind of files can be used in C. Those are source file, header file, object file, and finally binary executable file. Source file. Source file is the file where we write the program. These files contain function definitions and have names which end in .c by convention. Header file. These files contain function declaration, also known as function prototype, and various preprocessor statements. They are used to allow source code files to access externally defined functions. Header files end with .h. Now come to the object file. These files are produced as the output of the compiler. They consist of function definition in binary form, but the object file are not executable by themselves. Object file end with .o, although on some operating system, that is Windows or MS-DOS, they often end in .obj. At last, binary executable files, these are produced as the output of a program called a linker. The linker links together a number of object files to produce a binary file which can be directly executed. Binary executable file have no special suffix on Unix operating system, although generally in Windows operating system it's end with .exe extension. Now the characteristics of C. C is a general purpose programming language. This means C can be used to write a variety of applications. It is often referred to as system programming language. It has the following characteristics. It is simple, fast and efficient. C is renowned for its simplicity and is easy to use because of its structured approach. It has a vast collection of keywords, operators, built-in functions, and data types which make it efficient and powerful. C is super fast. The compilation and execution of programs is much faster on C than with most other language. Now the structured approach. C is structured programming language, which means as a programmer we required to divide a problem into several different modules or functions. C provide the fundamental control flow construction required for well structured program like statement grouping, decision making, that is a switch case, break, if else, etc. C is case sensitive. Case sensitive means that almost everything in C program is written in small case. C is a modular. See, modular means the programs can be easily divided into small modules with the use of functions, which means C programs can be divided into small modules which are much easier to understand. The concept of storing of C programming language code in the form of libraries for further uses is known as modularity. C is portable, which means a C program can run in different environment. C compiler are available for all operating system and hardware platform. Additionally, you can easily write code on one system and port it to another for compile the program and run it, but still it is not platform independent. Program written in C language can be extended, means when a program is already written in it, then some more features and operation can be added into it. Now recursion is one of the common technique used in C, where in a function calls itself again and again. This helps us to reduce the writing of definition of function by calling same function again and again, reduce the lines of codes as well and are easy to remember. Robust libraries and function in C help even a beginner coder to code with ease. C has a rich set of library functions and support graphics programming too. C is a middle level language, which means it combines the feature of high level language with the functionality of an assembly level language. Now these are the reference what I follow, and these are the some questions for your assignment.